The harsh truth about money. No one tells you why the system is rigged. What if I told you money isn't just about numbers? What if your gender, race, background, and even zip code could determine how much wealth you'll ever have? You've been lied to about financial success. They tell you to work hard, save, invest. But what if the system was never designed for you to win? Let's talk about the harsh truth behind financial planning and why your money struggles might not be your fault. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll see money in a way you never have before. Why money isn't just about money. Let's be real. The financial world is not as fair as they want you to believe. Some people are born into generational wealth, while others have to work 3 jobs just to survive. The system is not equal. Did you know that in the US, the average black family has only 1/10 the wealth of the average white family? Did you know women still earn less than men for the same job? And if you're LGBTQ+, disabled, or an immigrant, your financial journey is even harder. But why? Why does money treat people differently? The answer lies in intersectionality. How different aspects of your identity impact your financial opportunities. And if you don't understand this, you'll always be playing a game you can never win. Let's break down the financial lies we've been fed. Just work hard and you'll be rich. False. Some people start 10 steps behind before they even get a chance. Budget your way out of poverty. False. You can't budget what you don't have. Anyone can be successful if they just hustle. False. If that were true, every Uber driver working 80 hours a week would be a millionaire by now. The truth? Financial success is personal, and it's deeply affected by things you can't control. Your family's wealth, your skin color, your gender, your background. All of these shape how easy or hard your financial journey will be. And yet, financial advice still acts like we're all starting from the same place. But don't worry, because here's what you can do. How to make money personal. So, how do you win in a system that isn't designed for you? Here's what they won't tell you. Number 1, understand your unique financial barriers. The first step to winning any game is understanding the obstacles in your way. Are you earning less because of a wage gap? Are you drowning in student loan debt while others had their education paid for? Do you live in a community with limited access to financial resources? These are not small issues. They're major financial roadblocks. But once you identify them, you can start planning accordingly. Many people waste years following generic financial advice that doesn't apply to their unique situation. Instead, research strategies that address your specific challenges. Seek mentors or financial professionals who understand these barriers and can help you navigate them. Pro tip: if you're struggling with student loan debt, look into income-driven repayment plans or loan forgiveness programs tailored to your career field. Number 2, build wealth differently. If the traditional 9-to-5 path wasn't built for you, it's time to rethink how you build wealth. Side hustles, freelancing, online businesses, and real estate investing can create alternative income streams that give you financial security. Many marginalized communities have historically built wealth through entrepreneurship when traditional job opportunities were limited. Additionally, think beyond saving. Focus on ownership. Own assets, whether it's a small business, stocks, or property. The goal isn't just to work for money, but to make money work for you. Pro tip: if you're new to investing, start with fractional shares of major companies so you can build wealth without needing thousands of dollars up front. Number 3, leverage collective power. Wealth isn't built alone. Historically, marginalized communities have survived economic hardships by pooling resources together. Think about investment clubs, community lending circles, and supporting minority-owned businesses. When we spend money within our own communities, We help build generational wealth. Join networking groups that align with your financial goals. Find like-minded individuals who are also working toward economic empowerment and collaborate to create opportunities for growth. Pro tip: if homeownership feels out of reach, consider co-buying property with friends or family to build equity together. Number 4. Break free from toxic financial myths. Stop believing the lies that keep you broke. Skipping Starbucks will make you rich is a myth designed to shame people instead of helping them. The truth? Financial success isn't about cutting small expenses. It's about increasing income. Instead of focusing only on budgeting, think about how you can negotiate a higher salary, start a side hustle, or monetize your skills. The wealthy don't just save money, they grow it. Pro tip: learn high-income skills like coding, digital marketing, or sales to boost your earning potential without needing a degree. Number 5. Demand systemic change. Personal finance is important, but let's be honest. Real financial freedom requires systemic change. You can be the best budgeter in the world, but if wages stay stagnant and housing remains unaffordable, personal effort alone won't be enough. Support policies that promote financial literacy, fair wages, and economic opportunities for underserved communities. Advocate for financial education in schools, because if we were all taught how money really works, fewer people would be struggling today. Pro tip: find and support local organizations that fight for financial equity and educate communities about economic empowerment. Your financial journey is not just about personal discipline. It's about strategy, resilience, and understanding the bigger picture. Listen, if you've ever felt like financial success is out of reach, it's not because you're lazy. It's because the system was never built with you in mind. But here's the good news. Once you understand the game, you can learn to play it differently. Your financial story isn't written yet. You have the power to change your path, no matter where you started. Money is personal, so make your financial plan work for you, not just for some outdated system. If this video opened your eyes, drop a comment below and tell me, what financial struggles have you faced? Let's start a conversation. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more hard-hitting, real financial advice. Because trust me, this is just the beginning. See you in the next video.